My name's Richie Gimmel. I am the president at Atlas Machine and Supply in Louisville, Kentucky. We are a fourth-generation family business formed in 1907, and we specialize in repair of industrial machinery and distribution of compressed air products. We're continuing to try to grow with the old way of doing things in our legacy ERP system. We really began to run into some hurdles with our growth. The system itself started constraining. Everyone's job started getting a lot harder than it really needed to be. Looking for a different system was to create efficiencies in how we work in the office. The partnership with the implementation company is really key to the success of the project overall. So we invested a lot of time in really getting to know gurus. They got to know us, they got to know our business. I feel like they're half experts in what we do. They did a great job of coming alongside us and helping us make sure that we used the tool that is the ERP system and applied it to our business in a way that was going to get us the end result that we were looking for. We got a much better implementation because there was such a strong chemistry between the team at Gurus and the team at Atlas. It was almost like we could read each other's minds as we were working on the project together. We're continuing to work to find ways to make our business better with the system. It's made everything in our business a lot more transparent. Now we can see the business better, we can manage it better, and ultimately provide a higher quality product and service for our customers at the best possible price. I would absolutely, unequivocally recommend working with Gurus based on the experience that we've had with them. We don't think of them as a vendor, we really think of them as an extension of our own business. And I see the relationship with them continuing long past the implementation of the system as we work to optimize and tune the things that we're doing every day.